Hello everyone and welcome to ASA. In today's video, I'm sharing with you 7 tips you can follow if you want to make a great LinkedIn profile to get a job in 2021. So if this is something that excites you, then give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you stick around till the end because I have one more bonus tip on top of the 7 that I'm sharing. So if you are new to this channel is about study abroad, work abroad and remote jobs. So now let's get started. Okay, the first thing that we'll be discussing is your profile picture. Your profile picture should portray the best version of yourself. It should have neutral background. It should be recent. It should be formal or casual. And my pro tip is that you should use photo filler to assess all these qualities that I just shared with you. So now let's dive into the tutorial. So Google LinkedIn. Once you've done that, click on the first link that pops up, which is usually the .com link. And then it will take you to LinkedIn platform. So if you already have an account, then just sign in, as I am already doing that because I already have a LinkedIn account. And this will take you into, or this takes me to my LinkedIn profile. So I just click on my LinkedIn name and it shows me my LinkedIn profile. So now let's go over the profile picture. So as you can see this, I'm going to show you how you use photo filler. So this is my photo filler account where I wanted to assess if this photo is best suited for LinkedIn. So as you can see, you assess competence, and this profile is what I have shown on my LinkedIn. I also have my headline as study abroad advisor, as I have that on my LinkedIn. So I'm assessing competence, I'm assessing likability and influential. So all this shows how my LinkedIn profile shows. So the next thing is cover photo. It should portray what you are about and tell us what you offer. So let's dive into the tutorial. So as shown on the screen, my cover photo shows you what I am about and what I offer. The next tip is about your headline. This includes your job title, keywords in your job title, as well as your company name or education. So as you can see on my headline, I have study abroad advisor as my title, work abroad, remote and immigration, because those are the keywords that are found in my area of work. So that explains my title. I also have company showing. So the next tip is about your summary. This is found below your title and it tells us what you offer, the solutions you offer, problems you solve. You can also include links to your website or your portfolio. So let's show you my summary. This is how my summary looks. It's usually written as about, and as we can see, this is a little dashboard that is only visible to you if you want to show recruiters that you are currently looking for available positions. So this is my summary. Let's click on see more. So this is where I tell what I offer and the solutions that I offer, as well as the problems. You can also choose to include your contact information within your summary. So as you can also see, I've included some links to my website as well as my YouTube channel, where I offer the free content to the people that I am willing to solve their problems. Also, this includes your dashboard. This is also only visible to you, and your dashboard shows how many people have viewed your profile, if you have been posting, how many post likes, as well as search appearances. It also shows if your profile has all-star, as well as activity. So if you've been active on LinkedIn, it will show you what you have been doing, and this again is also visible only to you. The next tip is work experience and education. So this is where you key in your company name, job title and dates. So let's show you how mine looks. So this is my work experience. I have in company names, the dates, as well as experience. So I did explain what I was doing in these companies. So the next tip is about recommendations. You want to ask for reference from your previous employers, either from volunteer work, internship, or research. So let's show you how mine looks. Those are the recommendations that I currently have on my LinkedIn profile. And now you want to talk about contacts. So you want to include your email, your phone numbers, or company website if you want to be reached. And this is how mine looks. So your profile, if you're using a desktop, will be found at the very top. And I have my URL, email, which can be used by recruiters if they want to contact me. So all these features are a pencil edit away. So if you want to edit all the sections, just use this pencil icon that is shown on all the sections to edit your LinkedIn profile. So if you want to add, there will be a plus sign if you haven't added anything, or if you have, then there will be a pencil icon for you to edit the sections that you have already jotted. So as I'm showing you now, all the sections have a plus icon and a pencil icon to edit for sections that you have already inserted some of your information onto your LinkedIn profile. So as I'm showing you right now, all the sections have this plus, which means you can add in information, or the pencil icon to edit the information that you have already inserted. So the other important feature is the LinkedIn URL. You want to edit this with your LinkedIn names, so that when you send in your applications to potential employers, that it's easier for them to track you using this link. So the bonus tip is to create networks. How can you do this? You can do this by leveraging my network to connect and create jobs. Let me show you how you can do that. So on your LinkedIn profile, just go to my networks. Then you can add in the people that you want to create networks with on LinkedIn. And that's all for this video. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you share it with other people, as well as remember to subscribe and click the bell notification so that you are notified every time I upload new content. So that's it for me. So let's meet again on the next video. Bye bye.